After the water break, still Mustangs 2, Earthquakes 0.
Jake, step up a little bit more. Fill that space. Jake, go help him. Go help him, Jake.
Down. Get in front of him, Jake. Good job. Oh, no.
Didn't go out of bounds?
No, it didn't go out of bounds. Luckily. Because the sideline ref didn't say anything either, so. Oh my God.
Eli, your ball!
What are you waiting for, Eli? Okay, Jakey. Oop.
There you go. Now back up again.
Jake, back up and help.
There you go. Hey,
Outside, take it outside.
Alex.
Nice. Great job, Ellie. Time.
Oop. Hey, Chase, come on, get in front of it, Chase. There you go. Oop. Oh, that was handball. Big time.
Jake, take the kick. Everybody else up. Everybody up. Earthquakes, move it up. Jake, Cameron up. Cameron up. Jake, take the kick. Rowan, left forward. You're way up there. Go, jog. Rowan, go. Hard as you can, Jake.
To the wing, Jake, to the wing. There you go.
Go, John, go. Good, beautiful.
Center it. Oh! Nice, guys, nice. The guy next to Francisco on the left. Skinnier kid. Okay. Earthquakes 1,
Come on.
Mustangs 2.
Who scored that, guys? Who was that guy?
Was it him? I thought it was him over there. Good job, guys. Who scored the goal? Was it him? Awesome. Okay, go after the ball, guys. Okay, Jake, take your time. Take your time, Jake. Take your time. Take your time.
All right, get rid of it now. Get rid of it.
There you go. Good job, Jake. Ooh. Okay, Francisco. Okay, this is his. Oh, maybe not.
Roll on. Next up, you're coming out. Play hard, buddy. Play hard. Roll on. That's you. Go up there.
You're left forward, dude. Oh.
Jake, go help him. Jake, go. Not inside. Not inside. No. Outside, John.
Take it outside, John. Turn it around.
Refs up. Run. Jog it off. Jog it off, Ron.
A little faster, Rohan.
What's up, Rohan? Get some water and get in the shade, buddy.
Come on, Francisco, grab it before it goes out. Oh, bummer. Yeah.
He asked for it, then we got it.
I know, exactly.
Luke, move it up. Your guy's up there, Luke.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on, Francisco, this is yours. Come on. Oh, watch your hands. Oof. Come on, Chase. Oh. Oh, corner kick. You want to take the corner? Okay.
Get in front of the goal! Francisco, in front of the goal! Is it throwing?
No, it's a kick.
Get in front of the goal!
I don't know.
We practice this.
Hmm?
And that's not what we practice.
No, obviously they didn't listen.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Take a shot. Take a shot. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Come on.
Just shoot it.
Oh. Hey, Jake.
Up the line, up the line. Beautiful.
There you
Good job,
go.
Leaf.
Come on, watch out for the guy. Watch out. No. Yeah, he got it.
Jake, back up. John, you're over here. Coming at you, John. The Leaf, stay middle. Beautiful. Keep
Hey, Jake. Oh, go after it, Jake. Go after it. Go after the ball, guys. Don't stand there. Hey. You got a man on. Man on.
Outside, John, outside. Up the middle.
Bobby, slow down. Malachi, support him, Malachi.
Good job, guys. Okay, Jake. Forget it, forget it, forget it.
Go, Bobby. Start moving back.
Good job, Earthquake.
Okay. At the end of the first half, Earthquakes 1, Mustangs 2.